Play the goat theme. Play the goat theme. Play.
Dun 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 dun.
If I throw your phone in there, will the goats eat it?
Let's test that theory over here.
That's junkie theory.
A goat theory.
Okay, just
Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. No, I mean actually play like on your phone.
Like, what kind of goat theme are you referring to?
Like it's from Goat Simulator.
Dun 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 dun. Wait, that's wrong name.
Yeah, so hey, look,
that's the weakest.
Goat Simulator over here. Don't say that. Nintendo will copyright strike me for this.
They won't really.
No, they like to.
Theme is a meme and they know it.
I mean a Nintendo. Okay, hello there, little dude. It's a sheep. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, my dude. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello there. Oh, hello there. I got the high ground. Oh, that's an old goat. You can tell by his beard. That's an old goat.
That's a good boy.
Wait. It has udders, but it has a beard. What? What?
It is a horn.
Well,
It has udders, but it has a beard. What? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Like, it does have like it has like a goatee.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, no. Just no.
I'm like, look at it. It's like a goatee.
Oh God.
well, the pun fits, especially for that goat.
You underestimate the power of that pun.
Like.
Really? You made
you
a joke on the
Underestimate.
Don't underestimate me.
Underestimate. What does a cow say when he's getting backed into a corner by farmers?
I'm gonna move.
Don't
went-
underestimate me.
Not gonna lie, but have you guys ever went to Wisconsin and ever went into the farm area with an eagle?
No.
I was once chased by a stag in the middle of rural Wisconsin.
Dang, what's a stag?
Yeah, that's surprising because my sister was chased by turkeys in Michigan.
What's a stag?
A male deer, which are very territorial and can be very violent.
Oof.
So a female deer can just be calling you.
Well, the thing is, like, I don't even know if it's like female or not, or just like staring me down, like.
Just don't move much.
Hey,
Dodge
hey,
it, but just don't move as
Hey,
much
Bait.
as you need to.
What?
or B. I'll just call you B. So, where do you want to go next, dude?
Oh, I mean, this guy is funny to pee.
I'm holding it in as possibly.
Okay, let's find you a bathroom. Come on.
No, trust me. Like I'm able to hold.
Oh my god. What is this? Be careful of bunny.
Jesus. Talk about Playboy going wrong.
God damn it.
Fun little fact that Playboy exists in Japan,
Oh.
but it is absolute crap over there.
Hello.
Can't see the little white hair.
I can see it.
Oh, I can see it.
It's a little.
I can't zoom.
Oh my god,
I can't
it's
zoom through the white phone.
Hans. Oh. Hans. Get
Max,
see Luger.
Take a look over here.
What?
Just take a look from here. Because Aiden's in the way and he can't. Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
I don't see anything. It's
Get a bit
like-
closer. Like from here, you can see it.
I can see it from here.
It might be because of your glasses and
Hans.
your hat.
Get see Luger.
I can't see.
Oh Jesus.
back to
Oh
black.
Jesus. It sees us. Guys, the rabbit sees us.
Right there he is.
He's like, hello there.
Yeah, that's pretty huge for a rabbit.
Jesus. Let me see.
Yeah. And I don't have a quarter to feed goats.
Oh God. You have to pay money to feed an animal.
Well, you're paying a quarter, and this doesn't compare to the time in Texas when you had to feed chickens. And they just chase you.
I have $5 on it.
$10.
We need to save it. We need to save them. We need to save our moolah for one reason: the gas.
I only have $5 left. I'm getting cash.
We need to save our money for the moolah, the gas.
I'll probably give it to Joe for gas.
Mad Max.
It won't take that long to get us back there, considering.
Yeah.
In case of zombies, a shotgun is there. Always remember the recoil on a shotgun is a bitch.
Yeah. Also, they're not accurate at all.
You literally have to aim for the body.
Like, it's only effective at short range.
Seriously, a revolver? You need to get like a shoot gun.
Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her, so he shot her. The joke makes no sense, I don't think.
Yeah, let's ooh, a pumpkin. Oh God! Oh Jesus!
Dude,
It came
he's
out of the
working,
barn.
Trust me, he's just working.
It came out of the barn,
I like
man.
the movie Hellfest.
It came out of the. Oh God! It's in the barn. We need to get out of here. It's the first day of fall and already scary hockey mask stuff is already happening. This is bad. Wait. In case of zombies break glass. Oh my God! It's. Do you guys see that? Ben, do you see that? That's an actual.
Not for me, because I was like right behind it. But for you, it's a little more difficult.
Dude, that's
Not
an
that much, I've
actual
watched
one.
them.
These.
Well, yeah.
Jesus, these guys are packed for zombie apocalypse.
Yeah.
I know where I'm going when the zombies come.
On my way to Glenbrook South, I realized that the path that leads
Oh,
to
by the way, I'm at a car show with my friends here inside a really nice farm.
I mean, all mid-city is fine.
Ba, 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 ba.
For like the entire day, it gets very boring very fast.
Hey, look, it looks like Frosty the Snowman over there. Take a look. Doop, 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 doop. Look at that, it's like Scarecrow, the Scare Man. He's a straw hat wearing dude. He measures people with a ruler, and he doesn't try to be that rude.
Aiden's acceptance, except his mom works as management in a BP gas station.
Yeah, that's not too
No,
bad.
it was a mobile. It's a mobile. Mobile.
Alright.
DP sucks.
The gas is better.
Yeah, well, they spill it all over the ocean, so. Oh! Roasted.
Shell's worse, actually. I'm not gonna lie.
I've never actually done.
No, have you ever heard of the info for Shell? Like, the amount of gas they try to get from other countries, like the oil from there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It just spreads. It's either that or people are gonna have to make man-made gas.
100% liberated oil.
Can you like make gas?
It's possible if you
Yeah.
hit a freaking oil mine.
Yeah, it's possible, but it
But
sucks.
I mean, like,
No, it's possible to produce it. It just takes a ton of time.
Well, guys,
I don't know.
I'm gonna be producing more videos, probably not, depending on it, but I'm gonna be here for a while, so yeah.